Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, rear park sensing, dual exhaust with a backup camera. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front with a lovely black running board on each side. We do get blind spot detection with this vehicle, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, outlets, nice brawn accent, and some rear vents. We do, of course, get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop-start lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 12 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. We have tons of storage here and outlets, cup holders, you get more under there as well. Your center console with even more storage. Your drive modes with rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, nice little coin slot, with your climate controls just right here, 12 volt, and a couple of USB-Cs, storage above and below, storage on the dash, got your hill descent, hazards, and traction with a backup camera. Looking at our main screen here, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, got your phone controls, your navigation, or not navigation, fave apps, such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB53517, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.